Now we ask the question, can we find another point on this plane? That's not difficult to do because we have three variables in this equation. We can assign values to any two of them. We could assign values to x and z, y and z, or to x and y, and solve for the variable to which we did not assign a value. For example, let's let x equal y equals 0. Then what do we have? We have 3 times 0 minus 7 times 0 plus 6z plus 47 equals 0. So that, not going through all the details of the solution, but it should be very clear that the solution to this is z equals negative 47 over 6. We conclude, if we draw our x, y, and z axes, that the point where x and y are both 0 and z is equal to negative 47 over 6. Let's see now, negative 48 over 6 would be 6, so negative 47 over 6 would be negative 6. If we come down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and almost 6 units, say to this point right here, this would be the point 0, 0, negative 47 over 6. Similarly, we could let both x and y, both x and z be 0, and we get y equals 47 over 7, which is almost 7. And I think I made a mistake when I did this. This is almost 8, and I only came down 6. I'd have to come down a couple of more units. Let's cross that out. And we see that the point would be about here. Now on the y-axis, let's see, z equals negative 47, 6 gave us this. X equals z equals 0, so that y equals 47 over 7. We come out almost 7 units. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 7. That would put us about here, and that's the point 0, 47 over 7, 0. Now that's a point on the y-axis. Similarly, if we let y and z both be 0, we would find that x is 47 thirds, which is almost 16. We might have to use a slightly different scale on the x-axis here. We'd have to come out 16 units, and I'm not going to try to draw all 16 units. And this isn't to the same scale as these two axes, but we can at least claim that the point and got a little error there. That would be negative 47 over 3. So we'd have the point negative 47 thirds 0, 0, and that might be out here someplace. Now we have the points where this plane intersects the z-axis, the y-axis, and the x-axis. We could, despite a somewhat unfortunate choice of where to label this point, we could draw a triangle here connecting these 3 points. This triangle would be in the plane of the, well, it would be in this plane, and we can sort of visualize where this triangle is.